Florida Car Show Festival. How's everybody doing? My name is Enrique, host and MC from Party Town Productions. We have a big lineup for you today, lots of entertainment. We got Backyard Blues Band, Crystal Moreno, Cisco Kid, and the headliner today is going to be Connie, bringing her funky little beat. Watch out. So with that said, just wanted to do all these favorite songs here.
Quietest bike I ever heard.
You like that? I thought
Watson of the Central Coast. A big round of applause. Everybody's out here so early today. Taking out the Bell Festival at Car Show. Everybody that rode out here.